Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody emailed me they're having trouble with the Symmetry tool that started in Corel 2008. So when he draws with the Symmetry tool, if you get, let me zoom in a little bit. When you go to Object in Symmetry, create a new Symmetry, right here you can up the number of lines and then see how it's got everything grayed out that you already have on your page. And if you draw with a 2-point line and go from that edge, well, I don't want a 2-point line. I want a freehand tool. And I've got my freehand set on 100 smoothness. So you just start drawing with the freehand tool and make some circles. And it does that, but he cannot change, even if he finishes. You can see now everything's, and you can see that bounding box type box. He cannot change it to like a 1/2 inch. It won't work. So what he has to do is break the link apart, and then he can go and make it a 1/2 inch or make it any size he wants. You know, you could make it 1/4 inch, 0.25, and Symmetry, and then you can make it black. It is a line, so you have to right click. Now, if you go to Object, well, you can't do that in a Symmetry. I was thinking you could break the object apart. Now, another way to get by with that, if you wanted to do that, would be to hit F12 on your keyboard and change your dimension to a 1/2 inch line. And then when you open the Symmetry tool, it's under Object, Symmetry, create a new Symmetry. We're going to do like that many and then get the, so this would stop you from doing or help you, but I like drawing in hairline. I don't want a straight line. I want freehand. And draw your line. See, it drew it in a 1/2 inch, but it's still drawing it in a hairline. So that doesn't really help you. So let's go back one more. Let's do it one more time. Let's finish and get rid of that. Now let's go back to F12, change it back to a hairline. I like drawing in hairlines, especially probably in this case. So let's go to Object, Symmetry, create a new Symmetry. Let's make it a lot of them. And it's kind of unique to play with. And then get your freehand tool and just start drawing. And the best thing to do is kind of end up at a straight line, because here you're going to have probably broken nodes when we make it a thicker line. And so we're going to grab we're going to say finish, but see, you cannot change the width. So we're going to go and break link apart. Then you can change your length, your width, and then you can change it black. It's really pretty cool. I played around with it just a little bit. You know, if you have to do something that you want to draw symmetrically. Anyway, I hope that answers his question, and thank you for watching.